Alright, now for another round of unexpected E71 repairs. If you listen closely, there's this little clickety-clackety sound. Now if we go down in there, it's not focusing, but if you can see way back there behind that tube, the belt tensioner is having a seizure. So we're going to go ahead and replace that today. Pretty simple from the looks of it. Remove this bar, remove the fan, remove this of course, and then you have access to everything. So let's get started. And here we have everything out. So the fan is out just because you can't really get to the tensioner with the fan in place. One of the vanes or the reinforcement pieces, support pieces on the fan actually gets in the way when you put your T60 and your ratchet in there just to loosen up the tensioner. Here's a look at the tensioner, the used one and the new one itself. I saw some DIYs recommend you put the dowel pin into the used one as you're trying to remove it, but I think that's just kind of a waste of time and effort. What you want to do is you have your T60 in here and you're turning in a clockwise direction to loosen tension off of this pulley. When you have enough tension off, just pull the belt off the other pulleys in the belt diagram or on the belt routing, and then you can loosen your tension on the tensioner and then start removing the tensioner when the belt is out of the way. I did a quick look. This is my N55's belt routing, so this is the bad pulley right here, your alternator is here, and then you have all the rest of them there. I've seen different ones on the internet, so this one is for a 2011 N55 BMW X6. Anyways, super easy to put back on because I have a dowel pin here, which means that I think the routing of the belt is going to be super easy and it just slips on at this point. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this quick little overview on how to do the belt tensioner. And now we're back, fully assembled. If I can get you guys focused on it, but it's that guy there. And it's shaking a little, but it no longer looks like it's having a seizure, so this thing is all good to go. Thank you guys for watching.